Hey, what's up, guys? Again, this is another one for you. So now, let's say you want to start a YouTube channel, and you're just wondering what you can do to get your free stock. So some videos you can use, or some pictures that are copyright free, so that you can be able to create your content. I mean, we all need some kind of videos that can help us enhance our body of work that we're going to put out there, so that we can get our point across to everyone who will be watching our videos. So I'm bringing you this website to you guys, that you can be able to do all of that. It's called Pixabay. You only go onto Google, you type in pixabay.com. I'm sure you can see that there. So you just click pixabay.com, and then you click it right here. So you can just type whatever you want. I mean, whatever you can think of, whatever that you want to put out as your content. So I'm gonna make an example. You know what you can do? You can just come here, and you can click on the search button here. Let's say, what are we going to look for? Let's gonna look for dance music. You let's say dancing. Okay, and no, that's all the the pictures of dance you can use that are copyright free. You can do whatever you want with these pictures. They are being put in here by the great creators. I mean, that did all this body of work right here. So, but the disclaimer is on this site. There are some there are some pictures that are being sold. If you look at these ones, which have a better quality and all of that, but these ones, they work just fine for me. I don't have to pay for these ones. you know. So you have to look at the you have to look on, what is it called? Okay, you can just see here. You can even look on the videos. So these are the videos right here you can download. Yeah, see. So let's make an example on how you can download these. So you're just gonna click on the video. You click on it, so it's gonna show you that there is a free download here. All you have to do, okay, let me remove myself right here. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so what you can do, you can just come right here, you click on download. I always take the bigger resolution. Just click there, and then it says download. So they don't even ask you to do a what, so but you can donate to the creator, buy a coffee, but you don't have to. But if you have a go heart, and that will be great for you to do. So we'll be bringing you another channel, or sorry, another website where you can download another free downloadables, so that you can use on your YouTube channel. So keep a close eye on the channel, and thanks for watching. Please like and share the video.